我哋可以點樣透過教育喺年輕人心目中建立和平？其實冇標準嘅答案，而係靠生活中平淡嘅點滴累積。呢個亦都係和平學校計劃嘅初心。我哋建立包容嘅學習環境，鼓勵大家發問，尊重大家嘅唔同，等每一位學生都可以俾人睇到、聽到同埋重視。我哋嘅願景係將和平呢粒種子落喺每個人嘅心入面。學習唔單止係讀書吸取知識，更加係一個互相聯繫、彼此理解、一齊成長嘅過程。
I remember one student told me that they learned a lot after it and they also took action. I think the most important part is that you have to be passionate about helping community.
喺過去呢5個學年，港澳兩地有125間學校，超過164700個參加者。透過420幾項活動，我哋用行動證明可以一齊創造一個和平嘅世界。和平學校唔單止係一個認證，而係一班人向住更好未來出發嘅計劃。你準備好加入我哋未呢？即刻掃一掃個 QR Code 報名啦！